Alright guys, I need to start off this video by way of an apology to Ali. She said I'd missed an eye out on my gallows, and I said no I haven't, and she's sent me a photograph of the one I missed out. Let me show you this. Thanks Ali. Well, they're all there. They're all there. And they're all there. But I skipped one there, look. Right, let me set the camera up and I'll redo it. Probably not enough string there, but it don't matter. Cord, rather. Oh, there is. Yeah, there is. I'm just checking I got it right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. There we are then. Job 1 done. Thanks again, Ali. Okay, job 2 is, I noticed it's getting a little bit warm in here, this weather. So, yeah, it needs a good drink, that does. Yeah, so what I've got is some heavy duty stick on, and it is Velcro, because Velcro's a trade name, you know. So, let's make sure I got both bits. Yeah, you got plenty there. God, strong stuff. So I'm going to do, put a little, I'll show you, hang on, I'll show you. It's easier to show you than talk about it. So if I stick, let's work out where I need it. Just about there, look, just a bit of ventilation in, that's all it is, so about there. If I can remember where I was pointing to. Maybe there's a problem getting the backing off. There we go. Right, about there I'll do it. Ooh, that's strong. And the same, ooh, I was stuck in my fingernail. Same here, so I want that to go up there like that. I'll do it. There we are. So that'll do. I'll do that 4 times. Well, loads of hairy bits. Where's all the eyes gone? There they are, the hooks. Because anybody else selling this stuff, they have to call it hook and eye, they can't call it Velcro. Well, sorry, they can't sell it as Velcro. It's a bit like it's become synonymous with its function, isn't it? Like a hoover. No one says I'm going to Electrolux the carpet, do they? They say I'm going to hoover the carpet. And yes, I've got factor tar on my head. I'm only up here for an hour. I got a water Hades plot for her. Or, sorry, her new sowings, not her whole plot. It's a bit defeatist watering the whole plot, because as you know, it just makes the roots weaker. They think, well, there's no point me growing, because old Digwell's going to come up here and water us anyway. So, there we go. Oh, that is tough. Right. There we are, guys. I'll just do the same the other side as well. Get a bit of ventilation in there. Well, guys, I'm absolutely gutted. I've just spent the last 10 minutes filming and planting my last 8 shallot potatoes by the Stout Digwell method. The Stout Digwell method is just dip a hole and cover it with straw, roost out is lay it on the ground and cover it with straw. Anyway, the camera overheated, so I got none of the footage. So what I've done, I just dipped the holes, plonked the spuds in, watered it, covered it over with a straw again and watered again. And there we are, all done. On with the rest of the plot. The Bocapa are looking a little bit dry, but they're growing. They're not 100% shriveled up just yet, so maybe they'll survive. I got some more growing anyway at home. I'll do is I'll give these a bit of a dosing as well, stop them drying out. Oh, and the potatoes, got the potatoes. I think that's everything. I think that's everything I planted, watered. So let's go do Hades, and that's me. Just show you how the potatoes are getting on. Looking quite healthy actually. 5 over here, and as I just found out, there's one over there. I think I probably will do tomatoes in this cage again, this structure. We'll see, that's a decision for another day. Okay guys, time to get some microgreen peas on the go. Yeah, trying to get the punnets all the same size if I can. There we are, there we are. Right, first up, let's give them a quick wipe. Get the old writing off just to stop confusing a few people like me. Oh, that's right, that's the only one we're writing on. Couldn't have planned that better. What could possibly go wrong? Just stops them getting waterlogged and mould. We don't want mould on microgreens, do we? I remember saying this to you a year ago, maybe 2 years ago. Let me show you if you can see it. I don't think you can see it. Look at this against my blue shirt. The hottest part of the flame is the tip of the inner cone there, look. So if you heat things there, they won't get very warm. You heat them over here, they won't get very warm. Right at the end of the tip there, that's where they get hottest, quickest. Three more. I can put this down before it gets hot in my hand. Oh dear me. Right, I'm going to put that out the way. And put that out the way. Because you know what's going to happen, don't you? I'll touch it. Right then. Six. And this is probably the only time I prefer to use coir over compost. Oh, about ½ inch in the bottom for peas. It's already slightly damp, but I'll give it a good soaking afterwards. Firm it down and get some peas. Right, and about 30 grams for a punnet this size. I weighed them all out, as in a couple of years back I worked out exactly how many to put in, and 30 grams it was. So long as they're quite even over the base, that'll do. And give them a quick bottom soaking. Won't take long to fill up. There we are, it's that quick. Not strictly needed with peas because they're large seeds, but you can put a cover over just to stop these small seeds sticking to the tray above, because we want to weigh them down. And for the first one we use water. So put that there like that. It's going to get a bit awkward, this. Here's the second one all loaded up ready. Give it a quick soak in. There we go then. I just keep stacking them up and in the greenhouse. So there they go. Got 3 or 4 more to do. Yeah, I think I might have done too many peas. Right, catch you in a bit. Hey up guys, up the plot. Up to plot. Just going to pop a few lemongrass in. These Tesco ones, they started rooting, he says. Yeah, little white hairs on them, so that'll do. I'm going to put them in here because the bales ain't going to last next year and I need to lift the lemongrass anyway. So there's method in my madness, guys. So I'm going to stick one on each end actually. Stick one there. I'm going to do it quite deep because it's nice and damp down there. Try not to break the little thingy off. Root. One there, one there. Yeah. And see how it goes, eh? Yeah. That's it for today. A bit of watering. And, well, normal service will be resumed as soon as the plant sale's over. Oh, you're right, guys. Just tipped out a bucket of what I didn't know I had. Pink fir apples. And that is amazing because they are in such short supply this year. So I'm going to put 3 of these back in a bucket. And, well, I might give a few away actually. I don't want to... Well, they should be alright for eating. Oh, no, that's split that one. Let's get rid of that one. Take some of these long shoots off because they will re-sprout. We know they will. That's a good one to put in. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, so I just bit of clover compost, bit of full season potato fertiliser in that bucket there, and there we are. Bob's your uncle. And speaking of spuds, Rob and Lisa has sent me a photo of their entry for the hashtag SSPC 2025. Looking good, guys. Probably 4 times as high as mine are. Oh, so far behind. All right, guys, well, that's it for this week. Look after yourselves, take care, and I will catch you on the next video.